one of the India Books of Record holder, right, in designing and devising one division method. So all of you say thumbs up for Hitan. Come on. Yes, great. Right?
Thank you, sir.
Good, Hitan. So what do you say? What do you want to say about this boot camp?
Sir, I liked it a lot and I could learn a lot of things about math more.
My feedback on this bootcamp was this bootcamp was very exciting.
I thought maths is very difficult, but after the boot camp, I enjoyed it.
ये एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है मेरी बेटी के लिए कि मेरे पास अल्फाज नहीं है एंड मैंने बहुत सारी जन्नत में चेंजेस देखी है, स्पेशली मैथ्स के लिए एंड बूट कैंपिंग पे भी उसकी वो इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है उसके लिए, तो इंशाल्लाह फॉर फर्दर वी विल गो इंशाल्लाह फॉर हर.
Math was my least favorite subject, but when I learned the number line, it was easier for me to learn the integers.
My father used to teach me maths, but I didn't enjoy it much. It was not. It was fun, but just not. I didn't like it a lot. But this bootcamp made me understand what is maths really, and that's how I came to like it.
The tricks you taught them was very helpful. The way you taught that quadrant and all, really very nice.
I really like this bootcamp because you keep as maths as a friend to all of us, and I really like it.
I think it is a small age for sure, yeah, but then also you give very nice knowledge in a very good manner, and he really enjoyed their session.
समझ के समझ को समझना एक समझ है, जो समझ के समझ को ना समझे वो मेरी समझ में ना समझ. Anybody can try this. चलो 5 extra credit. Go ahead.
समझ के समझ को समझो, समझ के समझ ना जो ना समझे वो समझ में वो मेरी समझ में ना समझ है.
Oh no, you missed something.
समझ के समझ को समझो, समझाना भी एक समझ है, समझ.
All of you should try such meditation and concentration activities. You will never ever fall in line. Close your eyes for 30 seconds. Breathe in and breathe out, and then tell ma'am or sir to explain again. You'll automatically understand. This is known as x-axis. इसको हम x-axis कहते हैं. तो जो रोड पे आप चलते हो वो x-axis है, और स्पाइडरमैन जिस दीवार पे चढ़ता है उसको y-axis कहते हैं, क्योंकि स्पाइडरमैन कभी रोड पे नहीं चलता है. Share your experience to the maximum people in the world, because good things never comes free, but when it comes free you need to appreciate. No college, no school matters a lot. What matters is your skills matters a lot.
Because of this meditation camp I wake up early, otherwise 10, 11.
Oh my God. हमारे उठવાનું આવે ને, એક જ શબ્દ યાદ રાખવાનો કે એક દિવસ આપણે બધાએ we have to die. So let us wake up today early. You know, we have to think that every day, and you go on going, and you know, one day you'll have a Mini Cooper behind you, and you can drive that convertible Mini Cooper on the roads of them. Guru matters a lot, mentor matters a lot.
Exactly.
Right? એટલે સચિન તેંડુલકર શીખવાડતો હોય તો 4 જાય જ, ચિંતા નહીં કરવાની.
જાય.
I was truly happy. This is the way you do things, you know. Just get out of all the fears of life and ensure to perform, give your best. Do not worry about the results when you are giving. Giving this complimentary, I know it's a question mark, and giving so much complimentary is a big question. But we all have to devote at least our 1 hour or 2 hours of a week to this universe, to the people of this universe. That's the way the mankind will come up. That's the way we will get connected other than our wants and desire. You know, else we'll be just rushing up just for our wants and desire. So spread the word of the last boot camp which I have shared you.